Today, Pacific Grove, California, customer wanted to add a swing gate to his residence here. So we built them a frame. They're going to put some of their wood in it. You'll notice it's kind of offset for the angle of the driveway. I'm going to open the gate here for you. We use LiftMaster's LA 500 PKGU with safety monitoring. Push open. And I'm going to close the gate here for you. There's a fire key switch housing there and the KPW5 keypad for them to open and close the gate there. But just another fabulous job and another satisfied customer here in Pacific Grove, California. For any of your gate needs, call West Coast Doors and Gates today in San Jose, Morgan Hill, and now in Monterey.